What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, as you can tell, the mounting bracket on my Lexin FT4 Pro snapped off. I don't know if you can see it from here. Yeah, that snapped off. So I did get it back in the mail a couple days after. So what, 2-3 days Lexin sent to me, which is great. So obviously I'm going to replace this bracket, which is very simple to do. And if you haven't actually installed this for the first time, the bracket is very simple. So if you haven't installed it or you want to reinstall it, this is the video for you. So anyways, let's go with the intro and let's go check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life. I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. So today we're going to be replacing the mounting bracket on my Lexin FT4 Pro. As you can tell, if it snapped off when I was charging it, putting it in and out. So for a while I put some double-sided tape to jerry rig it or ghetto rig it, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the life of being broke. But yeah, so it's on, basically I called Lexin, I told them that it broke and I needed a replacement for it, and it was supposed to be around 7 business days, and they actually sent it within 2 days. So Lexin, thank you so much. They have a great customer service, and then everything I've done so far with them, getting my Lexin and getting one for MotoMiracle too, and they've done a great job, customer service, and their shipping and all that. Great company, highly recommend Lexin. So what we're gonna do, see what's in here. So replacing it is the same exact thing as installing it for the first time. It's very simple. I mean, eventually I'm gonna get a new helmet soon. When I get a new helmet, I'll show you how to actually rewire all the stuff for the Lexin and all that. And then also do some for for the GoPro. I'll show you how to install that too. But that's in the future. So what it comes with, nice packaging. So it comes with this over here. It comes with an Allen wrench. This is gonna go into the bracket inside. This is gonna be between the cheek pads and the actual helmet. And then we have the screws to get in here. They give you 2 extra in case you lose them, break them, other reasons. And this is extra. This is an extra piece right here in case some helmets, they need more padding, like it's an open space, so you have to get an extra padding. So then you have another mounting bracket. And this is going to be on the outside of the helmet. And this is also an extra piece right here. And this is more, like I said, some helmets, I'm not sure what type of helmets, but some of them it's wider. So basically you're gonna need that extra space. So that's extra for it, and it's 3M tape. And I keep these because you never know when you need it. You never know you're gonna need a new screw, anything. So I definitely save all these extras. It's gonna be a quick video. I always tell you I'm gonna do a quick video, but I always talk a lot because I'm Italian and that's how it goes. If the angle is gonna be a little, if it's hard to see or if it's a little dark or whatever, the lighting here kind of sucks. I gotta bring those ring lights, whatever it's called, I don't know what it is. And then also, first thing I'm gonna do is take my Lexin FT4 Pro out of there. Sorry, it's gonna be hard to see for this one. So some of the things that if I can't show you, I'm gonna put it on MotoMiracle's helmet because I've got this little strap on this right here for the wind protection because I need a new helmet and it's messing up with the GoPro and all that. So, but yeah, so this is actually very simple. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the Allen wrench, and literally right here on top, as you can tell, this is the one that goes in right here. And you can tell it's been, sorry, I'm not gonna use that helmet actually. I'm gonna use this helmet to show you real quick. So this one goes inside between the cheek pad and the actual helmet, and this is outside of the helmet. So we're gonna do that, that's simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew these 2, very simple. So then we're gonna take this out. Very simple. Should be able to just pull out, literally, just pull it out. All you have to do is take this piece and you just slide it in between the cheek pad and the helmet. Now we get the other one right here, very simple. So it's hard to see in mine, like I said, because I've got this this Pro liner, which is basically to block the wind for the GoPro, because this helmet's old. But as you can see let's check MotoMiracle's real quick. You put it right here between the cheek pad and the helmet, right here. So it's very simple, just push it in and it should slide in very easy. and literally just stick it in between. See how simple that was? Basically the screws are gonna come in these little holes right here. So now what you wanna do is get the mounting bracket, this part of the mounting bracket, and stick it in right here. Like if you can tell, I don't know if you can see from here, just slide it in, it's very simple. Put them together, then you wanna get the screws. So put the screws in, very small screws, so you kinda wanna watch out. You're gonna just put that in there and just tighten it a little. See how it's like you got the little padding and it's tight right there because you want to slide it to where literally the padding here and the padding here connects, because some parts of the helmet it's at a weird angle, so it'll be padding here, but this padding right here doesn't connect. Back mounting bracket exactly where this pad here and this pad here connects with the helmet. Let's put this Lexin on right now, see if this connects. I've got the FT4 Pro, MotoMiracle has just the FT4. So what you want to do is first, where this insert is up on top of the FT4 Pro, use the upper one first, the upper clip. Find a nice, so it's nice and comfortable. I don't know if you can, sorry if you can't see it, the lighting, but right here. So instead of going bottom first, go from the top first like this. And then just push down. Oh, I'm stupid. And that's on, look at that. Very simple. Sorry that was taking forever. The double-sided tape was blocking it, forgot. Stupid me. So now right here, this little clip right here, that's what broke on mine. I think what it is if you tighten this too much, the screws, then this is gonna be hard to take this off, and that's how mine broke. So either loosen it a little before you pop it out, or just charge this with your helmet connected to it, because I mean it's only a $12 piece, but with the shipping, it came out to $17. So it's still something like you don't wanna pay for all the time, you know? So this is how you install the mounting bracket for the Lexin FT4 Pro and Lexin FT4. Like I said, Lexin is a great company. I definitely recommend them. Then a lot of the other intercom or Bluetooth intercoms, I mean, it's really more for what you like better, you know? There's certain things that Lexin does better than, you know, Senna, and there's some things that might do better with Senna than Lexin, you know? But I trust Lexin. It's a great company, great brand. Love everything about them. So that's how you reinstall and how you just install for the first time. It's probably one of the quickest installs and the easiest installs that I've done. Doing the wiring though, that's something totally different. But like I said, when I get a new helmet, I'll definitely show y'all how to install it into the helmets, because that's a little harder, but that just takes time. I'm gonna put everything down below, all like the product and like the Lexin, their website, and I'm gonna put like how to buy, if you wanna buy the extras for this, or if you want the Lexin FT4 Pro, I'll put that down below. Anyways, this is the end of the video. So if you like this video, then please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Until next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.